Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I will I am going to refurbish a Nokia X6. Well, one of them. I'm going to disassemble both, and I have a few new parts for one, but I will also have to use the old parts for it, and also use what's left of the parts to make the other one functional as well. So here goes nothing. Intro. Has two clamps on it, one on each side. It has a little flex cable right here. This is the flex cable that you should be very careful about. And the way it's looking, I'm guessing it's the audio jack and the charging port, the whole assembly. Alright, has this flex cable right here, one, and others on top right here, one, two, and the third one, it's like this. This is the third flex cable, to which you should be very careful. Now, back to the disassembling process. There are two clamps here on the side and two in the middle. These are the metal clamps for the touch. Here are these clamps for this metal cover. This part is sticked here. The camera as well. There is no need for me to disassemble this, but I want to show you what's inside in case you ever need to change this part. All those things are sticked here. Apparently the newer phones made a tradition of the last gen phones. Everything must be sticked. So yeah, this flex cable holds all these. So yeah, here we have the front camera, the light sensor, earpiece, another sensor, the headphone jack, and the charging port. all together here. All that's left here are the buttons, the physical buttons, and the, what's this? Oh, this is for the SIM, right? Yeah, this is actually this to push the SIM out. Pretty cool. Well, the only way to take the display out, because it's ticked, is to hit this thing up, but I'm not going to do that. That's more than enough for me to clean it. I'll start cleaning this and be right back after I cleaned it. But before that, I'm gonna need the chin from this phone. Because that one has something missing. Also, this phone, it's in worse shape. Here it's cracked, it's missing this. Well, the new shell has it. And yeah, that's that. See you after I cleaned it. Time to reassemble this phone. This thing just glues here back if it wants to. I mean, of course it wants to. Who can refuse my charming face? I know I can. Oh, it went in pretty good. It literally searched for its spot by itself. Good. Now, all that's left for me to attach, it's... First, let me just pull this here. This. Got it attached. And here. I have a used display here, but it's in better shape than this one, so yeah, of course I'm using it for the not so fun part. Okay, now I see. This was supposed to go first. Let's click them in place. Oh. All in all, it wasn't that hard. Well, time to put this. This is brand new and original. This slide button has to be up put in the last screw in. Let's see. Right. Wow, this has both clamps well ripped, broken, but it's still adhesive enough, so it will stay. Good. Now for the back side, one clamp is still good and also has the adhesive. Good. Oh, and the camera button, almost forgot about this. Time to put in a battery. Let's see which of the battery covers I'm keeping. This one. It has more scratches than this one, but this one has a broken clamp, so yeah. Practicality over aspect, so. And there we have it, the Nokia X6. Looking pretty decent. Well, I use a lot of old parts, but what can you do? Looking pretty good. Yep, working nicely. Lock, unlock. The media. No, this is the clock. Nah, no alarms, thank you. Let's see the camera. Working just fine. Good. Now, $85 hours, not bad, pretty decent actually. So yeah, this was my refurbished video of the Nokia X6. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful in case you want to refurbish your X6. And leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more daily videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Who knows what other phone I may refurbish or what crazy video I may do. Well, I wish you an awesome day just like yourself. Bye bye.